Part 5 Start. Future Trends in HRM, Gig Economy. In Human Resource Management, HRM, the gig economy refers to a labor market where organizations hire workers for short-term contracts, freelance projects, or temporary tasks instead of permanent full-time employment. The gig economy has grown rapidly due to technological advances, digital platforms, and changing employee preferences. Understanding the gig economy is important for HR managers because it changes how organizations manage talent, compensation, performance, and employee engagement. Key features of the gig economy. Short-term work assignments. Workers are hired for specific projects or tasks instead of long-term employment. Examples: freelancers, independent contractors, part-time consultants. Flexibility for employers and employees. Organizations can scale their workforce up or down based on business needs. Workers have flexibility in choosing work hours, projects, and clients. Technology-driven work. Most gig jobs are found through digital platforms, apps, or online marketplaces. Communication, task allocation, and payments are often managed digitally. Implications for HRM. Talent acquisition and management. HR must develop strategies to hire, train, and retain gig workers efficiently. Performance evaluation and feedback mechanisms need to adapt to short-term contracts. Compensation and benefits. Traditional salary and benefits may not apply. HR must design project-based payments, incentives, and recognition systems. Employee engagement and motivation. HR needs to maintain engagement, communication, and loyalty among gig workers. Building a sense of belonging and organizational culture is more challenging. Legal and compliance considerations. HR must ensure compliance with labor laws, contracts, taxation, and social security regulations for gig workers. Future trends in HRM related to the gig economy. Hybrid workforce models. Organizations will have a mix of full-time employees and gig workers. HR will manage flexible workforce planning and talent allocation. Digital HR platforms. Use of HR technology and digital platforms to recruit, track, and manage gig workers. Skill-based hiring. Focus will shift to specific skills and expertise rather than traditional job roles. Continuous learning and upskilling. HR will emphasize training and skill development programs for gig workers. Focus on engagement and experience. Even short-term workers will expect good work experience, recognition, and support. Conclusion. The gig economy is reshaping HRM by changing how organizations hire, manage, and retain talent. HR managers need to adapt policies, compensation systems, engagement strategies, and technology tools to effectively manage a flexible, skill-driven workforce. Organizations that successfully integrate gig workers into their workforce will gain agility, cost efficiency, and access to specialized talent, which is vital for future competitiveness. Future trends in HRM, automation in HR. In human resource management, HRM, automation in HR refers to the use of technology, software, and artificial intelligence, AI, to perform HR tasks automatically, reducing the need for manual intervention. Automation is transforming HR functions by making processes faster, more accurate, and more efficient. As organizations grow and technology advances, automation is becoming a key trend in HR, helping HR managers focus more on strategic tasks rather than routine administrative work. Key areas of HR automation: recruitment and onboarding, automated resume screening using AI, chatbots to interact with candidates, answer queries, and schedule interviews, online onboarding platforms for documentation and training, payroll and compensation management. Automated payroll systems calculate salaries, deductions, and taxes accurately. HR software ensures timely payments and maintains digital records. Performance management. Software can track employee performance metrics automatically. Automated reminders for appraisals and goal setting. AI-driven analytics to predict performance trends and identify skill gaps. Employee engagement and communication. Chatbots and apps for answering HR-related queries. Surveys and feedback tools automatically analyze employee satisfaction. Digital platforms improve communication across remote or hybrid teams. Learning and development. Online learning platforms recommend courses based on employee skill gaps. AI systems track progress and suggest personalized training paths. Data management and analytics. HR automation helps in storing, organizing, and analyzing employee data. Predictive analytics help HR make informed decisions on recruitment, retention, and workforce planning. Advantages of HR automation. Time efficiency reduces repetitive tasks and saves HR managers time. Accuracy minimizes human errors in payroll, attendance, and reporting. Cost savings reduces administrative costs and improves resource allocation. Improved decision-making. Data analytics provide insights for better workforce planning. Enhanced employee experience, faster responses to queries, and streamlined processes. Challenges of HR automation. High initial investment. Implementing automation software can be expensive. Employee resistance. Some employees may feel technology will replace human jobs. Data privacy and security. Managing sensitive employee information digitally requires strong security measures. Need for continuous updates. Automation tools must be regularly updated to stay effective. Future trends in HR automation. AI and machine learning predict employee behavior, automate recruitment, and optimize performance management. Robotic process automation, RPA, automate repetitive administrative tasks like attendance, leave management, and payroll. Cloud-based HR platforms provide easy access to HR services from anywhere. Integration with other systems. HR systems connected with finance, operations, and project management for seamless workflow. Focus on employee self-service. Employees can manage leaves, benefits, and training online without HR intervention. Conclusion. Automation in HR is a major future trend that helps organizations operate more efficiently and strategically. While routine administrative tasks are handled automatically, HR professionals can focus on employee engagement, talent development, and strategic planning. Organizations that embrace HR automation can save time, reduce errors, improve employee experience, and make data-driven decisions, which is crucial for competitiveness in the modern business environment. Future trends in HRM. Employee analytics. In human resource management, HRM, Employee analytics, also called HR analytics or people analytics, refers to the use of data analysis techniques to understand, measure, and improve employee performance, engagement, and overall workforce management. Employee analytics uses data from HR systems, surveys, performance records, and other digital platforms to help managers make informed decisions about hiring, training, retention, and employee satisfaction. With businesses becoming more data-driven, employee analytics is one of the key future trends in HRM. It helps HR move from intuition-based decisions to evidence-based decisions. Key areas of employee analytics: recruitment and talent acquisition. Analyze candidate data to identify the best fit for roles. Predict candidate success and potential turnover. Optimize hiring processes for efficiency and quality. Employee performance and productivity. Track performance metrics to identify high and low performers. Recognize patterns in productivity and areas for improvement. Use data to set realistic goals and performance targets. Employee engagement and satisfaction. Analyze survey results, feedback, and workplace behavior. Identify factors affecting employee satisfaction and morale. Implement targeted strategies to increase engagement. Learning and development. Track training completion, progress, and effectiveness. Identify skill gaps and recommend personalized learning programs. Measure ROI of learning initiatives. Retention and attrition. Predict which employees are at risk of leaving. Analyze reasons for attrition to develop retention strategies. Reduce turnover and associated costs using data insights. Workforce planning. Use analytics to plan for future workforce needs. Identify trends in skills, roles, and staffing requirements. Align workforce planning with organizational goals and growth. Advantages of employee analytics. Informed decision-making. Decisions are based on data, not just intuition. Improved employee performance identifies areas for improvement and recognizes top performers. Better employee engagement. Understand employee needs and implement effective strategies. Reduced attrition predicts turnover and helps retain valuable employees. Strategic workforce planning aligns HR practices with long-term organizational goals. Cost efficiency. Data-driven strategies reduce unnecessary spending on ineffective HR initiatives. Challenges of employee analytics. Data quality. Poor or incomplete data can lead to wrong conclusions. Privacy concerns. Handling sensitive employee data requires strong security and ethical measures. Resistance to change. Managers and employees may be reluctant to rely on analytics. Technical skills required. HR professionals need training in data analysis tools and interpretation. Future trends in employee analytics. Predictive analytics using historical data to forecast employee behavior, performance, and attrition. Real-time analytics monitoring employee performance and engagement in real time. Integration with AI and machine learning. Automated insights for hiring, performance management, and workforce planning. Personalized employee experience, tailored learning, rewards, and engagement strategies based on analytics. Data-driven decision culture, increasing reliance on evidence-based decisions across HR functions. Focus on well-being analytics, tracking employee mental health, stress levels, and work-life balance for proactive support. Conclusion. Employee analytics is shaping the future of HRM by providing insights that help organizations optimize talent management. With analytics, HR managers can make better decisions about hiring, training, performance, engagement, and retention, which improves organizational productivity and employee satisfaction. As businesses become more data-driven, employee analytics will be an essential tool for strategic HR planning and competitive advantage. End Part 5. Part 6 start.